Hey guys, today I'm going to a watermelon farm and I have heard that they have the juiciest, sweetest watermelons ever, so come with me to explore. Honestly, I've never been to a watermelon farm before, so I'm really excited and also imagine eating fresh watermelon straight from the farm. So guys, we just reached and guess what? Before we came, they already plucked all the big juicy watermelons. But that's okay because now we get to choose the best ones from what's available. Come, let's visit the watermelon farm. Super cute. Oh, itu sa pagi siya. Free days day, Lulu. Free na uncle na.
Hello guys, this is watermelon. It's very heavy, because it's so sweet and watery, and you know. Just kidding. Now let's get back to real. Hello guys, we are from sociology department, and this is Ibina's vlog. We are here to pluck watermelon, and
How much do you earn, sir? How much do you earn?
in a month I earn, when it's season time, I earn more than 2-3 lakhs.
Bisa nagkita ito lang business na
So I earn like more than 50,000 in a month.
How do you plant this watermelon?
My usual is I just insert the seeds and it used to come out when it's the time of season.
Insert the seeds.
Insert the seeds, yes.
Kusya.
Guys, after I started this farm, I'm financially happy, and some of my classmates, please Imane, show my classmates, they are here to see my farm visit. So as a token of love, I'm giving them watermelon free of cost.
Behind the scenes.
So, and once again I'm doing a giveaway of watermelon. जो भिडियो बनाइ नै के अझै हम बिल टिभी ते आइसे दि डॉक्टर के दूरी से
Chor!
रहा तो अपने एक्सप्रेशन लाए
Free ase.
ब्रो पुटे लगा रे
Kusya ka. Wala pa. Isa mo char tu dua. Ay, sorry. So cute. Cara rido. We got so many from free. We're taking calm.
Queen à ơi 가리드 Queen à
They also gave us this watermelon to give it a try. And guys, they also have varieties of vegetables. So now I'm on my way to get some round gourd. Come with me.
Kina kate do. Hiro ba kate, mo ba kate do. Di ba kate na? Ano po?
I plucked it all by myself, and this was my first time doing something like this, so I felt it so satisfying.
Let's go.
I honestly really enjoyed being here. It's so peaceful and it makes you appreciate how much farmers put efforts into growing our fruits.
I'm back home.